Hello and welcome to another episode on Yusuf Onabekun's YouTube channel. On today, I'll be showing you how you can use Facebook adverts to gain followers. How you can use Facebook to gain followers, to gain Instagram followers to be precise. Unlike before that, it's almost impossible to run adverts to gain followers. Of recent, Facebook decided to include an option that will allow you to run direct traffic to your Instagram profile just for the benefit or for the purpose of gaining followers. So without more further ado, let's get started. So if you want to do that, and let's say for instance you want to the first thing you need to do is click on create. When you click on create, you go to the traffic objectives, and you continue that in that aspect. Now, before there was no option of all these aspect that I'm going to show you, and you just move on to your um ad set objective. Under your ad set objective, like this particular profile now, or this particular ad account does not have that, there is meant to be an option whereby that will allow you to advertise to your Instagram profile. So let me just take a reload of it. So they are just implementing it. So some ad accounts might have it, some other account might not have it. So if I reload this and this doesn't have it, I'll use another ad account that has that option, so I can show you how to go about the whole process by yourself in as much as, or in as less as some couple of minutes, without having to bother about trying to run it yourself. So this particular profile doesn't have it, so just give me a moment. Let me see if I can get some a profile that has. So when you click on your traffic, you would see, when you click on the next option, you will see this option of Instagram profiles. You can see send traffic to your Instagram profile. Now when you click on this, the main purpose of this campaign is to make people to go to and follow you on your profile. Now after you've done your whole setup, because even if you decide to leave it at advantage plus placement, or you decide to do your manual placement, the advert will only be available on Instagram, looking at being the fact that you want to try and get Instagram followers. So you move to the next page. Now when you look at that, when you go to the next page, so let's say I want to get Instagram followers for this ad for this page. All I just need to do is set up everything, and as you can see that automatically it is targeted at Instagram profile. Now the two method in which you can use, probably you want your followers to be very targeted to your profile. What you can do is you go to your audience. When you go to your audience, now you click on the Instagram accounts. Now if you look at this, now you see that the Instagram account I'm using here is this triple DMT. So this is custom audience. I have a much more detailed video on how to come out to how to create your various custom audience. You can click on this link to watch the video. So you click on you choose Instagram. Now the best thing for you is you now go and choose that custom, that profile. All you just have to do is when you click on this, you'll see everyone who engage with this professional account. You can easily go and you will see everyone who started following this professional account. Now when you choose this, it's only going to gather the audience that has followed, let's say follow your IG accounts, for follow your IG account. Now when you click on this audience, when you click on this audience, you can see that this audience is already populating. Now your account is going to show, if when you have this, the next thing you want to do is click on this and create a lookalike audience based on those that have followed you. Now depending on the country in which you want your audience to come from, okay, now your source has to be, so let's cancel this. the source of this audience has to be those that follow your IG account. Now, if you want your audience to be from your location, I'm from Nigeria, that's why it's bringing Nigeria automatically. Or you decide that you want to add other people similar to those that have followed this page. Now, what this means is those that have followed, I want um Instagram to target those that are similar to those following this current account that are based in Nigeria. That's why I'm creating this lookalike. Now, when you create this lookalike account, now you have this. Now you can now come back here and go back to your ad set session. So under your ad set session, you would let me reload that so the audience will populate inside this ad set session as well. So when we go down to where we are to choose audience, because of Facebook decided to redesign. So when you click on this switch to original audience, you will be able to see where you can choose your audience. Now, automatically, this my location is going to show where I am, which is Nigeria. Now, when you click on this custom audience now, as you can see, it can target this lookalike. When you choose this lookalike now, so what Facebook is going to be doing is they will be showing this your options of people should follow your account to those that are based on this lookalike and that are in this location. You understand? So this is one way to get good followers that are based on those that are currently following your account. Probably your follow is between like 100 to 10,000 and above. But if you don't have any follower at all, it is advisable to just leave it as broad as possible. And if possible, probably you are selling a service or a product that can be applicable to everywhere around the world. You can decide to just choose worldwide in this place. You can easily choose worldwide, as you can see. So now you can easily choose worldwide in this location. So it's just going to do selector. You can see it's going to choose the whole world that you want to target your profile to. Now this audience is based on the reach, which is the amount that you put inside. So the more you do that, the better for you. Now if you make it worldwide, Facebook is Instagram is going to show your profile to everybody across the world. Now the benefit of this is you will gain followers first, and they are going to give you at a very low cost per follow. But the only bad downside is you might not get targeted followers. Now to get targeted followers is what I explained earlier. So this is how you can gain Instagram followers for your account. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.